Alright, y'all, so I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural as always, and I'm just placing this on my eye, prepping my eye for my eyeshadow. You guys know I like to use concealers because they are so, tacky and sticky, and they help my eyeshadow to, appear brighter and stay bold and last all day with minimum fallout. So next, I'm taking my Sugarpill Pressed Eyeshadow in color Poison Plum, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous purple color. Y'all, purple is my favorite color. I love it so much. And I'm just placing this into my crease, making sure that I'm blending as I go. So I'm putting that right into my crease, and I'm going to bring that down to my lower V as well, just to give it, a little bit of definition and just to start out this look some. Next, I'm taking my NYX White Eyeshadow Base, which is a nice, creamy, bright white. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that in the center of my eyes, making sure, that I stay neat and that I stay in formation with this, because I really want to make sure that I get my next colors, really precise. So I'm just carving out that section, like so, just like that, you know what I'm saying. Now taking my MYO Makeup Pigment in the color Bubblegum, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous baby blue color. Y'all see how gorgeous that is? Oh my God. And like the payout is unbelievable. But I'm just placing that on the outer portions of that NYX white. And you guys see, how bright and, bold and vibrant that color is, y'all. That NYX is making that blue pop out like that, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, MYO Makeup Pigments is where it's at. Now I'm just blending that out, making sure I get rid of all my harsh lines of demarcation, because I don't want any of those lines showing, because, that is not cute. So next, I'm going to go back with the color Afterburn, which is a gorgeous, champagne-like type color. I'm just going to place that right dab in the center. Now I'm taking my NYX white eyeliner, and I'm going to make like this little moon crescent shape just to finish that look. And I'm just smoking out my waterline, adding some definition down there. Now I'm going to take the color Rice Paper by MAC and place this underneath my eyebrows and act as my eyebrow highlights. And then you guys know what is a look without a wing eyeliner. You guys know I love my wing eyeliner. So I'm taking my NYX Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and start my wing. So you guys see I'm doing the first portion of that, and I've already did the tail. I'm just making sure that it comes together. I really like my eyeliner that thick. I mean, sometimes I like it thick, but sometimes I like it thin. So I mean, it's kind of thin. It's like medium. It's in between. Now I'm just adding my false eyelashes. I don't know what kind these are. I know I got from a beauty supply store. I think they're the mist eyelashes, but I'm not exactly sure. But any falsies that you have, girl, will do just fine, okay? So I'm just adding my false eyelashes, making sure that I got them secured on there just right. Make sure they won't fall off. So yep, add a couple of coats of mascara so they can really just pop and fling and bling and give me all that drama. Now moving on to my lips, I'm taking the color Spice by MAC, which is one of my favorite lip liners. I'm going to go ahead and just start to outline my lips with this pencil, and then I'm going to also fill it in. And I kind of like that whenever I fill in my lips, will cover my whole lip with the pencil, my lipstick actually sticks better and lasts a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and just cover my whole lips with this lip pencil, and it's gorgeous by itself. If you add gloss on top of that, girl, your lips will be popping. But I'm going to take my Fenty lipstick in the color Up to No Good, which is a bomb nude color, and just place that over that lip liner, y'all. And that is a gorgeous, gorgeous nude combination. I love it so, so much. So, you guys, this is the finished look. I really, really love how, these colors came together, how they look so nice, and it's just so freaking gorgeous. But this is it, y'all. So if y'all like this video, definitely make sure to thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see all my beautiful dolls and gents in my next video. Peace out, y'all. Y'all be easy.